Irritation. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do some testing on some lip plump by Absolute New York. So we have 4 different colors, and we're going to see what's the difference between each one and what's the pros and the cons. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, so we're going to use the first one. I'm trying to remember the name. Oh, this one's called Brown Sugar. So this is my lips before and after. Okay, so the pros is that it's very smooth. It makes your lips not as chapped. It have a great shine, a very luster look. The thing about this, they do tend to burn, so make your lips look like a duck. I think that's the only con that I have about it is that it burns. So it's like peppermint, like on your lips, not like peppermint. But I love the color. I love the shade. What you guys think? Let's go to the next one. We have this one. This one's called Hot Pepper. So we're going to see how hot pepper really is. Oh, Lord. I love the color. It's very vibrant and it's very nice. I love the the shine that it's giving me for this color. The hot pepper. It's kind of give it flirty, fun, but kind of again, it burns. So I hope you guys do like this one, and I like this color. Now we have our third one. This is called Opal. This is kind of like a glitter, clear glitter. And I think this color is so pretty, so we're going to see how it looks on our lips. Okay. I like it. I really do. It's called Opal, and it have a nice shine. It looks really good, more natural. But, you know, I have a little ting to it. That's the only thing. The con is the little ting, but my lips are already naturally, you know, a nice shape, big. So it don't do anything for me, but I mean, my lips look the same. But this is kind of nice, kind of like giving that galaxy. We can wear with a nice purple lipstick and put this on top. Oh yeah, you can rock it. So this one's called Opal, and what you guys think? Last but not least, we have this is one of my favorites. This one's called Sangera. So we're going to see how this one looks. I think you guys probably know. Let's kind of give this nice, it's like purplish color. It's kind of close to hot pepper, but hot pepper is more like a pinkish side. It's more an undertone purple. Magenta. This what this one gave me, kind of like a magenta. Oh, I like this one. I think most all of them, they all have a great shine. They have a great color, and it doesn't do anything for my lips because, like I said, my lips are naturally nice size, big. And the only con that it tingles once you apply it. So I like it. I love the color, and I think this is good. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Of course, don't forget to subscribe and tell me which ones were your best. looks, either hot pepper, brown sugar, opal, or Sangera. What was your top four? I mean, which out of the top four was your favorite? Comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I think that was all the things, the pros and cons. Cons that it just get hot, and then the pros that it have a great shine, a great longevity, and it makes your lips pop and stand out more. And I love the moisture of it as well. So I love the lip balm. I just don't like when it burns. So that's my con. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. And thank you for tuning in. Ciao.
Transformation. I have new merch just dropped today. You guys, we have coffee mugs, shirts, hoodies, tote bag, whatever you name it. I have it. And they come in variety of colors. And guess what? You get 25% off. So please go show support for me beyond transformation limits. Oh my gosh. This is so exciting for me. And also, if you guys love the Judy doll makeup and the texture of it, guess what? You guys get 20% off by using my code MODEST, MODEST 20. Again, MODEST 20, 20% off. So go shop now and get your favorite makeup and your favorite clothing. So go support me, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and I will see you guys.